Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Focus versus the Volkswagen Jetta. We'll explore key differences to help you decide which car best suits your needs. The Focus is often praised for its engaging driving dynamics and responsive steering, making it a fun choice for city driving. Conversely, the Jetta is known for its refined ride quality and generous passenger space, appealing to those seeking comfort and practicality. Let's dive into the specifics. When it comes to performance, the Ford Focus often provides a more spirited driving experience. Its available engines, especially in higher trims, can deliver impressive horsepower and torque, making it feel quite nimble. The Volkswagen Jetta, however, tends to focus on a more composed and comfortable ride, particularly on longer journeys. While still capable, its handling is generally tuned for smoothness rather than aggressive cornering. Consider your driving style when weighing these differences. Inside, both cars offer distinct experiences. The Volkswagen Jetta is often lauded for its spacious cabin, particularly the rear legroom, which is a significant advantage for passengers. The Ford Focus, on the other hand, frequently presents a more contemporary and driver-focused cockpit design, with controls intuitively placed. While both offer standard features like air conditioning and power windows, the overall feel and material quality can vary between specific trims and model years. Think about your priorities for passenger comfort versus driver engagement. Finally, let's talk about value. The Ford Focus can sometimes be found at a more accessible price point, especially for base models, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. The Volkswagen Jetta, however, often boasts a strong reputation for reliability and tends to maintain a higher resale value, which can be a long-term financial benefit. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize sporty handling and modern design or comfort, space, and potential long-term value. For more details and other great deals, check the description below, including a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.